Wearing one of Toyota's most beautiful designs, the 2022 Mirai sedan looks like it rolled straight out of a future where boxy SUVs are so passé. Its flowing lines and upscale appearance distract from its true party piece, which is its hydrogen-powered propulsion system. Acceleration is leisurely from the onboard electric motor, but the Mirai is a zero-emission option that lets drivers refuel in mere minutes rather than waiting around at an EV charger. The interior is posh, its ride is forgiving, and handling is unexpectedly lively. The Mirai is offered in either the base XLE trim or the loaded limited guise, but we'd stick with the less expensive of the two. Standard interior features include heated and power-adjustable seats, keyless entry and ignition, faux leather upholstery, and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. The Toyota Mirai is powered by what's called a fuel cell electric powertrain, meaning that hydrogen is converted into electricity by the onboard fuel cell, essentially a chemical laboratory on wheels. Fuel cells create electricity by stripping electrons from hydrogen atoms. The hydrogen then bonds to oxygen to create water, while the electrons power the electric motor. The result is an electric vehicle that is fueled with hydrogen from a pump rather than electrons drawn from the nation's electrical power grid. The electric motor powering the Mirai produces 182 horsepower, all of which is sent through a 1-speed direct drive transmission to the rear wheels. Although Toyota claims the Mirai requires a leisurely 9.1 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, the immediate nature of the electric motor's power delivery makes it feel perkier than that when driving around town. Likewise, the rear-wheel drive chassis delivers a surprising level of athleticism while preserving a refined and composed ride. The more frugal of the two Nexo models comes in at 65-inch city, 58-inch highway. The 2022 Mirai boasts a snazzy cabin that matches its swoopy exterior. Copper-colored trim pieces highlight several curvy elements on the dash and door panels, while the nearly all-digital instruments and large infotainment screen dominate the upper part of the dashboard. It's a futuristic and rich-looking design that's appropriate for a car. The more expensive limited trim brings even more niceties than the standard XLE, including a moonroof, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, 3-zone automatic climate control, and more. The Mirai comes standard with a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system similar to the one found in high-end versions of the Toyota Highlander SUV. Features such as a Wi-Fi hotspot, a 14-speaker JBL audio system, Sirius XM satellite radio, and in-dash navigation are all standard, as are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control.